The future has already reached the automotive industry, or at least for those who have tried Tesla vehicles. As our CEO Elon Musk has reminded us since the founding of the company, it is important for humanity of having transportation and sustainable energy production. We must remember that the problem of sustainable energy is the main one that we have to face in this century. But not everything has been so sweet for Tesla. In mid-2013, we were riding a wave of success. We launched our first really mass-produced car in the Model S. To rave reviews, we had recently raised first-year production targets and had started taking orders for our next car, the Model X. We seemed to be on our way to defying the skeptics, becoming the first US company to enter the car industry with a mass-produced car since World War II, and the first to successfully launch a fully electric car. Despite the company's efforts to enter the automotive market, in the second quarter of 2018, we faced one of the strongest economic crises of the company. The barriers to entering the auto industry were high. New entrants had to build brand loyalty, work on building factories, developing a dealer network, and meeting the capital requirements to develop and build a new car, which could amount to $6 billion and take up to 6 years. The country's economic situation and high production prices drastically pulled Tesla Motors out of the competitive market in the United States, leaving great economic problems which ranged from complicating the production process to debts due to lack of tax payments. It almost took a miracle for us to overcome an economic crisis of this size. Musk later admitted he'd pushed too hard for extreme automation and replaced robots with humans, ripping out a fluffer butt. Eventually, we had employees erect an extra, almost entirely manual production line in a tent in a parking lot of Tesla's California's factory. Eventually, though, Tesla got on track. We started building 5,000 Model 3 cars per week, the rate that Musk had noted as a benchmark. You can now get one starting at $45,000, and Musk says the $35,000 version with fewer features and lower range. Thanks to all of the adaptation work and increasing the workforce, making processes less automated and taking advantage of the efforts of human resources, we were able to achieve the production we needed to pay off our debts and also generate a profit. And in this way, we didn't go bankrupt. All this led us to an important reflection. Despite the circumstances, we must never give up, and we can always work twice as hard to achieve our goals. Today, the company has become more competitive, and we are achieving a better sales production relationship by positioning together with the large companies in the automotive market. That's it.